Welcome to another episode of the Team Elmer's Update, where we take you past the orange barrels and onto the job site. Team Elmer's has 9 concrete plants across the state of Michigan, and in this episode we'll take a closer look at what a few of our downstate plants have been up to. Our first stop is in Oscoda, where our local plant has supplied concrete for Jerry's Marina in East Tawas. 70 years ago, Jerry's Marina was founded as a fishing resort, where local fishermen could catch perch on Lake Huron. Today it's transformed into a 200-slip marina, and more recently, our Oscoda and Elmer drivers delivered concrete for the floor of an additional heated storage unit. Next we head to Onekama to visit the Portage Point Inn. Built in 1902, this historic inn cherishes the fact that it's one of the oldest operating inns in Michigan. In the midst of renovations, they've called upon our Manistee plant for their concrete needs.
So with the pool construction project, we'll be building a new infinity edge pool, a hot tub, sun deck, and then an L-shaped deck on the second floor. It's probably going to be like a 10-year project. Probably the biggest challenge has been just getting permits from the township. Actually, this has been a destination where families would come to do their family reunions, family vacations. So obviously, it'll be a big attraction for the kids. Portage Point Inn is a historical landmark, and it's a significant piece of the Onekama community.
Meanwhile, 3 mixers from our White Cloud plant head to Eola Central Dispatch. The mixers are hauling 27 yards of Elmer's concrete, which will serve as the base for 911 Dispatch's new 100-foot radio tower. The new tower significantly increases Dispatch's reach from countywide to statewide, providing a wider range for emergency services to contact dispatch. Thanks for tuning in to another episode of the Team Elmer's Update. As always, and stay safe out there. We'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe, follow us on Twitter, and like us on Facebook, and check out teamelmers.com for more project information.